If you're married, you're going to want to drink this.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. I'm Derek. That's Dan. That's Ian. Nope. That's Ian. That's Dan. But
Yes.
the title card.
You'll see the names at the bottom.
Right. Today we're going to be making a Greenpoint Cocktail. This is a pre-prohibition cocktail. That's not true. I don't really remember
It's a
that.
variation on the Manhattan.
It's a variation of the Manhattan from Brooklyn in a neighborhood called Greenpoint. And it's made from a New York City milk and honey bar. It's
Milk and honey?
Milk and honey. We didn't go there. I don't know if it still exists. But
Oh, so it's a bar. Milk and Honey was a bar in Manhattan.
Yeah,
okay.
they didn't just serve milk and honey, but they did have coffee.
I was just wondering.
Yeah. It's a rye-based cocktail, similar to every other rye-based cocktail that you have that tastes like a Manhattan. I'm just going to keep yelling. So the recipe is going to be 2 ounces of rye, a half ounce of Yellow Chartreuse, a half ounce of Sweet Vermouth, a dash of Angostura, a dash of orange bitters. So we're actually using Angostura and, we're using orange bitters. We're using Scrappy's orange bitters for this one. You could also go with any aromatic you have. You could use Bergenhock, you could use Scrappy's, Regan's orange bitters for orange. You can use Dylan's orange bitters, whatever the heck you want. You're going to stir this cocktail. Usually the optimal time, Ian won't do it this way because very few people do.
What?
Stir the cocktail for 2 minutes. It's a long time.
Oh, we can make him stir for 2 minutes.
But then everybody's going to sit here and go, why is your cocktails video so long?
Get out of my face. Oh, we can just watch him.
There you go. There's only one thing in there.
No, there's...
Herpes. So you're going to stir it until it's chilled.
You'll meet Don from other videos.
All right. So you're going to stir this drink. That's going to dilute it properly so that you get enough water in here. Otherwise, it's very strong. And it's going to be strong to begin with because there's no juices in this drink.
But he's going to stir it.
Right.
He's going to stir it for 2 minutes.
The executive producer for this episode is Kim Richards. You can go to patreon.com/CMC if you want to become a donation person. I don't know what you call it. You want to help fund the show.
Patron?
Yeah,
Patron.
Patron. Be a patron. It's a good idea.
Yeah.
You can also just go to everydaydrinkers.com/tip if you want to leave a one-time lump sum donation. You can do.
That's for Ian.
Does this go in our? Does this go in our pants?
Oh, you're going to... You want me to stir it up?
So, donations at the live stream. Oh, by the way, this episode is filmed in front of a live studio audience.
Yes.
What is that?
That's the problem.
It's like All in the Family.
Yes.
We're just like
Yeah.
it. He's Archie Bunker.
Yeah.
Hey now.
Dan's the bitter one.
So the next drink we're going to do is,
Meathead
what is it? The gin fizz. And
thought
then
we
we'll
were
have him
making-
shaking for like 20 minutes.
I don't think. Oh no.
But I mean, who doesn't want to see Ian shake for 20 minutes in slow motion?
No.
If you want to see Ian shake for 20 minutes in slow motion,
That's a Ramos
leave a
gin
comment.
fizz.
Ramos, sorry.
You got a
Ramos gin
that
fizz.
shit
Like
up.
Zeus's last name.
Yeah, Ramos gin
Yeah.
fizz.
Yeah, that's
We're
a long
gonna have
version of the cocktail.
Ian make one,
Yeah.
and he's gonna shake that shit up.
Or you could just link to the video where I do, yeah. We could
Up
just link to the
above,
video where I already did that.
right here. What?
Yeah,
Oh,
but
that
we're
way.
gonna do it to techno music.
No, we'll do that later.
That was the last of my money. You gotta make it
Thomas the
good.
Tank Engine.
Yes, Thomas the Tank Engine.
Up here, you can find a playlist of all of our Manhattan variations. I'll put this in
No, I
there.
should have done it that way. Damn it.
You can also.
Probably been about 2 minutes, huh?
That's been about 2
I mean,
minutes.
I'll keep stirring, but
I think it's pretty good.
wasteful.
So if you go
Ice is
to,
no
you
longer
can't
melting,
see my
so-
screen, but if you go to recipe.awesomedrinks.com, there's a little search engine here. You could type in the word Greenpoint, and this recipe is going to pop up because I'll have it in there before this video goes live. If you're watching a live stream, that's not true. But for everybody else, it's going to be in there, along with this awesome, sexy picture. There's no garnish for this, right? Oh, there's a lemon twist garnish. We don't need it.
Lemon twist? Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on.
Oh my god. We're going to have a garnish.
Stop on that.
We're going to have a garnish.
Looking, it's pretty.
So we're using a John Drew Rye. I think I posted the review by now, but I don't really know. So if you haven't seen the review, it's coming.
What'd you think of it?
It's a little sweet and smooth. It's fine rye. It's just not very. It's not very strong.
All right. Boom.
All right. Oh shit.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, that's what I like to feel in the morning. A nice swift slap.
Far away.
Yes.
My ears just went numb.
Shit.
Quiet. Too loud.
Filmed
If you
in
were
front of
married to
a-
her, you'd love it.
I had some right here.
Oh, you had some?
Yeah.
Wait,
So what'd you think?
turn it up.
Do it with 3 fingers. 3 fingers is the best. That's what makes them scream.
Wait, I thought this was
4
for
fingers.
commercial
No,
paper
it's
time.
disencrypted.
See, you definitely need the stirring.
Fucking nerd.
Yeah, you gotta dilute this.
You gotta dilute it.
What?
You gotta make it cold. You
That's
need
good.
the stirring.
Yeah.
You can't just
Oh!
you can't just stir for like 10 seconds.
No, you can't play with that shit.
You gotta stir until the ice stops melting. Then.
Yeah.
You gotta chill that shit up. If you want to be really technical, you can find the right temperature and then put a thermometer in there and stir it. So
No.
That's science.
You buy one of these from
Awesomeways.com. Hey, sell
and a
those.
spoon.
Yep. That comes as part of the bartender kit too.
Exactly.
It's a julep strainer.
It's a julep strainer, not a spoon, but close.
And
Slotted spoon.
It's like a really.
size spoon.
Yeah, I can't. I'm still hungry.
And you stir the shit out of
It's
it.
a diet soup spoon.
Yeah,
Yeah.
But if you stir it enough, it makes it nice and cold.
it
Dilutes
does.
it just enough.
What's it taste like?
Where
Advertise them.
it tastes like.
They should
Hold
be.
on.
You should all be wearing
What the
Greenpoint
hell?
Cocktail t-shirts. What's up with that? How come we don't have privy to that?
I do right now.
Need a con-
If you
wanna
hear
wear
that,
a
that's
shirt?
my wife.
Well,
I'm
I was
sorry.
gonna laugh and say we could just wear just
So-
that, but
Yeah.
the other half will be in
No.
the bar. You'll never know.
No, I just want. I will know.
Oh, it's not like I'm wearing pants right now.
Well, you know.
I want all the women, all the women,
These.
all the women in Combat Cocktail shirts and their vaginas hanging out. That's all we want.
Stirring with a block of ice versus smaller cubes, what that's going to do is the smaller cubes are probably going to dilute faster because it's all about surface area.
You need to speak up.
Sorry.
Oh, jeez.
The smaller cubes are going to dilute faster because it's all about surface area, but once they chill to a certain temperature, they'll stop melting, so it's not going to matter.
Those cubes are pretty big. You want the full ice cubes. Those ones are good size.
Yeah.
They're hefty balls.
But they
Of ice.
definitely, it makes a difference.
Yep.
The
Otherwise,
drink
if you
is-
use crushed ice in this, it would be way over diluted.
Look again, I mean, this is a all alcohol drink.
Yeah.
It's
Pure
all
alcohol.
liquor. And it's not very strong.
Even the bitters have alcohol in them.
Yeah, the whiskey's kind of tamed. The rye's tamed by
It's
the
very smooth.
dilution. It's very smooth.
I like
drink.
that drink because it tastes like rye and chartreuse, and I like chartreuse.
Yes.
So it's an herbal rye
It's a-
flavored drink. The vermouth is not prominent, which
No.
is nice.
It's there though. The vermouth is there on
It's
like
in
the back
finish.
end.
Yeah, you get a
yes.
little finish of
In the
vermouth,
finish, but it doesn't overtake
sweet
it.
vermouth.
I mean, the small ice cubes might save you some time because there's more surface area. It's going to chill faster. But
Yeah, but it's
unless
harder
you're
to calculate.
unless you're making like a huge gallon batch of drink, you're not even saving yourself a second probably on the chill time.
No,
So,
just make it the right way.
if you're making a huge batch, then it might make a
Right.
difference. But
If you have a refrigerator with a button on it, click the button for the large ice cubes.
Yes.
Boom. All right, question of the day. Kim Richard did that. So, question of the day is, Ian, you don't talk enough. What's the question of the day?
what's your favorite Manhattan variant?
What's your favorite Manhattan variant? That's a good one.
Yeah.
And no is the proper answer. You can say no.
No.
I'm
Yeah, you
okay
can
with
See,
that.
usually I don't like Manhattans because of the vermouth.
But this is good, right?
But this one,
It's a
the
little
vermouth
medicinal.
isn't totally.
Yeah, because the chartreuse
Yeah,
kind
it
of
doesn't
plays
come
in
through. The
it.
chartreuse card actually comes forward in
Oh,
it. So I like this one.
We all like it. That's why it's at recipe.awesomeways.com. Search it up. Sidebar, more videos. We have a coupon code that's already popped up. I'm not going to mention it now because we're at the end.
I've forgotten what it is.
It's March 18. I know what it is.
Yeah.
I'm an idiot. I'm kind of an idiot.
You got
Down below, bartender starter kit. Halt your mouth. We'll teach you how to drink.